Good morning, all of you. I am Pawan Yadav, an English faculty from Suraj School Rivari, is going to deliver my lecture, and my topic is modals. Modals, the auxiliaries that expresses the mode of action denoted by the main verbs are called modals. What are modals? The auxiliaries that expresses the mode of action denoted by the main verbs are called modals. Modals are used before main verbs to express ideas such as permission, ability, instruction, invitation, obligation, offer, request, possibility, certainty, and necessity. For example, I can write with both my hands. In this sentence, can expresses ability. You ought to help your mother. In this sentence, ought to express obligation. It might rain at night. Possibility. In this sentence, might expresses possibility. To take permission, we use modal verbs like may, can, could. Can I use your pen? May we sit in the lawn? May I go out? Could you send me a sample copy? In these sentences, can, may, and could expresses permission. To talk about present or future possibility, we use modal verbs like may, might, could. The news may be true. It might pay a visit to my grandmother. The story could be true, I suppose. In these sentences, may, might, and could expresses the possibility of present and future. To talk about past possibilities, we use modal verbs like may, might, could, plus have, and past participle. I can't find my keys anywhere. You might have left them at work. In this sentence, the modal expresses the possibility of past. Next one, we use could, might with have plus past participle to say that something was possible in the past but did not happen. Means there is possibility of happening that thing, but due to some circumstances it wasn't happened. For example, why did you do that? You could have broken your leg. Fortunately, you didn't. Means due to some circumstances, the person's leg was could have broken, but it didn't. You were very lucky. There could have been a terrible accident. There wasn't. To express ability, we use modal verbs like can, could. Can expresses the ability in present. For example, I can dance, he can sing, she can make cartoons, I can ride horse, and many more. In all sentences, can express the ability of doing action in present. Similarly, could express the ability in the past. It expressed the ability in the past, that what could you do in the past. He could run when he was 5. Means when he was 5 he could run. He was able to run when he was 5. Arun's grandfather could read newspaper when he was 95-year-olds. Means Arun's grandfather had the ability to read newspaper when he was 95. To give offers and invitations, we use modal verbs like can, could, may, would, shall, and must. For example, may I help you to lift the box? In the sentence, may represent offers. Would you like to have a cup of tea? In the sentence, would represent offer. I could help you complete the work if you want. In the sentence, could represent the offer. To express certainty and necessity, we use must, shall, and will. For example, you must drink at least 6 glasses of water every day. In the sentence, must expresses necessity. You must read this book. In this sentence, must expresses certainty. I shall take you to Shillong next year. In this sentence, shall expresses certainty. To express suggestion, advice, duty, we use modal verbs like should, ought to. For example, we ought to help the poor and needy. Here it represents the duty or obligation. You are not very well, perhaps you should see a doctor. Shows suggestion. You should work hard to stand first. Shows suggestion. We ought to respect our senior. Shows duty. We ought to follow traffic rules. Ought to represent duty. To express obligation, we use must. She must run fast to catch the bus. So here must shows obligation, it is compulsory, it shows compulsion. We must take him to task. Must here also shows compulsion. To express wish, we use modal may. To express wish, we use modal may. We put a mark of exclamation at the end of the sentence also. For example, may you always prosper, may all your wishes come true. In both sentences, may expresses wish of someone. So these are your modals. I hope you learned something from this. Thank you.